To expedite your Social Security card replacement in 2025, follow these steps. First, determine if you need a replacement card, which can be necessary if your card is lost, stolen, or damaged. You will need to provide required documents, including proof of citizenship, age, and identity. Acceptable documents include a birth certificate, passport, or driver's license. Next, fill out the application for a Social Security card, which can be found on the Social Security Administration website or at your local Social Security office. You can also call the Social Security Administration to have an application mailed to you. When filling out the application, make sure to provide accurate and complete information to avoid delays. Once you have completed the application, take it to your local Social Security office along with your required documents. You can find your local office by visiting the Social Security Administration website. A representative will review your application and verify your documents. If everything is in order, your application will be processed and you will receive your replacement card in the mail. In some cases, you may be able to expedite the process by using online services or by visiting a Social Security office in person. However, expedited services may not be available in all areas and may require additional fees. It is best to contact your local Social Security office to determine what options are available to you. To avoid delays, make sure you provide all required documents and fill out the application correctly. You can also check the status of your application online or by calling the Social Security Administration. By following these steps, you can expedite your Social Security card replacement and receive your new card as quickly as possible. Remember to keep your Social Security card in a safe place to avoid having to replace it again in the future.